what's up, mananap? Hi guys, hi everyone, I missed you and it's been a while since I haven't uploaded my video. So I decided to unbox and I bought little something for myself and I decided to unbox it just so some update on my channel. So we went shopping to the outlet on Labor Day with my very close friend and I saw this backpack. Well, I wasn't thinking of buying anything because I don't really need anything. And then I saw this backpack and so far I do have backpacks, but those are not like name brands. I only have like Forever 21 and like sometimes I buy backpacks on Amazon, and like I have slings and purses that like, you know, like name a little, not too expensive but name brand. So today I'll be opening and I'll be using my new Spade backpack. Let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, so it's just this. Looks different than the video, but I really love the color. I love the color. And see, the tag is still here. Ayan. But I didn't pay that. I'm not paying. No, that's too much money. So, well, I got it for $69. Yes, guys, I got it for $69. And look at that. They have green. I think they have green color, and now I found a green, so I picked this one. Ooh. This is my second Spade. I have that black sling that I always use because it's just small and, you know, like for wallet and phone and like just like when I go out without hairs, and then I use that. And I just thought that, you know, having a toddler, I think it's easier. I can also put some of his stuff in here, and it's just, for me, it's mommy friendly backpack. So backpack is like good for moms. You're not gonna look like you like a losyang mama. So it's like you're still in fashion. So it's really big, guys. It has a big compartment. In this pocket I will be putting my phone, and I have the garage clicker and my headset. And in here I barely have anything here. Well, in the pocket, small pocket, I have my wallet, and in here I got, it's actually a big compartment. I'm actually gonna put my Santa extra clothes and, you know, his little snacks, but as of now I don't have it because he'll be bringing his own backpack. So I have a little snack in case I got hungry, and my hand lotion, the most important EpiPen. Oh god, don't ever lose this. So I carry it all the time, every single time. And I got my makeup bag from FC, of course. And yeah, that's about it right now because we're going somewhere, and I don't really need to bring a lot of stuff because we're just gonna come back anyway. It's not gonna be long. So if you wanna help, please do watch some of my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell to be updated on my videos, and please help me reach my watch hours. I'm almost there, and I'm wishing and praying that this month I'll get monetized. So thank you, and here's a clip on how the backpack looks when you use it.